Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by granting the app storage and camera permissions so it can read file tables and preview images. Once done, pick the exact target, internal storage or SD card, and choose Quick for speed or Deep to search fragmented data. Make sure to stop background writes, put the device in airplane mode, and close other apps to avoid overriding recoverable blocks. This prevents further damage and increases success rate. Begin the scan now so the app can map file headers and index potential recoveries. Once scanning finishes, use filters to reduce noise. Choose photo formats, size ranges, or date windows so you focus on likely matches. Then preview thumbnails and check the app's integrity score to gauge recoverability. These scores help you decide which files to prioritize. Make selections by marking multiple items for batch restore and export a log of chosen files if you need repeat attempts. This targeted approach saves time and avoids restoring corrupt files, increasing the chance of usable photos. You should restore recovered photos to external storage or a cloud folder to prevent overwriting remaining data. After restore, verify files by opening them in the phone gallery and a secondary viewer. That confirms colors, EXIF, and completeness. If images are corrupt or missing, rerun a deep scan and enable RAW or JPEG carve mode to reassemble fragments. As a troubleshooting tip, if results worsen, stop writing to the device immediately and try imaging the storage to a file. Then run recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.